All right, so Illinois Cottage Food Laws updates for 2024. I'm actually here in the YouTube studio. I wanted to throw together really short videos. I have a handful of states information that I came across that I wanted to put up here on our channel and state by state. So I'm going to put all these up. There's probably about 7 or 8, 10, 12. So we have about a handful of states. I got some information here from a friend of mine. Each of these states are fantastic. They have a lot of positive things that are being possibly voted on. These are in progress, by the way, so they're not for sure. They're not in stone, but they're kind of up in the air. But they're all good things about each of the states. So Illinois, let's get into it really quick. So Cottage Food Laws, House Bill 4121. So it would allow interstate sales, would potentially, in some counties, allow what's known as indirect food product sales, meaning that could be sold. You can make something at home. You could sell it to a retail store. You can sell it to a cafe. You can sell it to a grocery store. Something like that. You can sell it to an indirect. But the interstate sales is a big one. A lot of states do offer that now. They're starting to little by little. That means from your house, you could create food products and ship it from your house over state lines to somebody else. Some states allow only in-state shipping right now, which is kind of constrained in a lot of ways. But Illinois is voting on that. Hopefully that goes through. Next one up. Oversight for those who live in the area without health department. So mobile farmers markets would allow oversight for those. So if you also it would allow also cottage food operators to sell from what's known as mobile farmers markets. I don't think it's kind of like, I guess would be mobile farmers markets. So that would be kind of like a food truck or a food van. So that would be kind of cool. You could actually sell produce. So if you wanted to grow your own produce, that's what it sounds like it's going to be doing. That's something they're voting on. Mobile farmers market. So you could drive around, set up a truck, sell your produce, and then move on to the next one. So that's kind of an interesting one. Also, areas that don't have health departments, they would have a little bit of oversight from the state as opposed to the city or county. So those 4 different bills are in progress. They haven't been voted on just yet. And stay tuned with our channel here. If I hear anything, of course, if you hear anything, let us know down in the comment section about the updates. So pretty much sounds pretty good. They got a couple of new things going on. I will see you guys in our next video.